Ano de Franco Trading Enterprise Dwaso na say wo pe mobile phones apapapa any ho akade home appliances TV sets and microwave ovens and fridges and keka ho papapa Franco Trading Enterprise na nipa manfo do sunti amanfo so asia kire e create Facebook account fake Franco Trading Enterprise Facebook account no and I want more than 100,000 likes and this I will call Facebook I am winning now what Roma any idea for also your brewo and I pay and some woman no papa near the kind Sagana ha emra wa ha na semra no eye adwuma Dr. Kwame Owusu Fodwo eso yi nsam bia no Dr. Kwame Owusu Fodwo eso yi nsam bia no Ghana ha obi antimi dem rasha nsam na ne wo pa bia na waye na wafa no adi bia wo pa bia na waye na wafa no adi kwado award no man kwadi bidie but I kete I have people who are very close to me just say akoyanum guasesem Global public excellence. Now walk for petty ya tono hey afa watabakro but media there's blessing or born in you I swear it and you know I want to be a money some ramo we are Ghana ha some running di but in the coming days and then me who saw their talk on Facebook and I'll read it. I say His Excellency Dr. Kwame Owusu Fodwo will hold a press conference today. It will be broadcasted live on Facebook and most media houses. He will address everything concerning the award. Stay tuned. Metren now we press conference no. Metren now we press conference no. We could chemu and in fact banya na wacho kakrani. And a Poultry Farmers Association wama sembi abadama kumaso abetomanimu a. Until some me hunu compensation a yetwediama wamu a yan compensate wamu no sanse mo mi nyanto 37 poultry farmers and crying anytime am potamu hankwa na sam no kwaya rehosem asam no akwaya rehosem papa na usheka poultry farmers binum wamabo kwade tweme na me justice kubilai a poultry farmer and I want to say nen koko 6101 and koko nkwa 6101 and I destroy him as an way na account about 184,000 184,000 and you no kwa Kofi and you no kwa wamu dia akamu wama boka ahodo Now listen ni. And a penny ema hukra. Any poultry farmer. Sabi, say a kasei. The name you na ya chucha. What diarrhea paso. What diarrhea paso. And I know many poultry farmers say, oh, sometime 2016. In fact, I've done the background checks. Mention was made. So compensation, no supplementary budget anymore. Yeah, the poultry farmers no shame ye twesika to ho. You fan compensate omo. Okay, it is as can we poultry farmers can so you be sir veterinary department of Ministry of Agriculture no one which say sikano to quote the exact words one man misappropriate sikano one so me dey oh I'm saying I'm the bit to talk cast and my keka what a man for kwaji bank loan e dey akoton kokwama ato feed abobuo aha ya dwumayefo wa mo ye adwuma na se bird flu aba enti ye hyenkokɔ ni nyina ase na ye wi a be patamo ye betua moka na sika ne ba ya na honorable Hannah Bisiu sabra no a deputy minister of agriculture in charge of livestock ma me nje nkomo ana mo tirinka
metaphor metaphor
opening
the word impactor what I know
minim say na a busy day for you until I understand but catch me minim say around that time uyobi a okasa de ma poultry pharmacy pa ebra bird flu no eyi ni ti menti yen hye wo mo bet no na yen compensate wo mo ansa na mo befra ban mu na anamonto no akosisan honorable
Junda from Pacho make a kwenye na mama wetie fu na I'm men can say sorry bird flu ne buy yeah, my compensation from a beer, and I said, can be I say, Nemwa. So the baby, I really be by a beer. Now said they are really soon in a bank here. There was a monko na monko spray na yem fakwa passion in fancy one. No cranny, ya really buy, the then NDC Abai, President Mahama, I said, Bank of Frey, and besides, then I was set young farmer into your car, a briefing, a presentation of Parliament, and I then speak of Parliament, right honorable at home, or not so FMA or tin committee, and I will approve Sikani here. Just a bit better in row and some here cats and a veterinary for cars on the back around pickups and so to 1 or 2 station wagons thing in a car budget.
Okay.
And now for compensation the Bema farmers then in our account. And then PPs they use reagents they use lab BB and here bia Jumedian Hono Abai President Mahama make sure say yes Africa and the compensation you try and said reality maybe a pie to her na bia mu ma na bia kofa BB even na kopie wo baby for the compensation na enye to go buy and again my compensation na a trade year buy bia so maybe the share budgeting that was 2016 budget once a year budget for the 2016 a year for budget I be reading for Safin. A fear about this Simon budget.
Yes. It's 2016 budget, no, it's for 2017. Okay.
It's the same. Na Bese Fufi and Twasa, and I fear them. You know, next in it, the only idea I met 2 years of a phone is Oma who cry, walk San almost Kawan Sika. Na Yarian said it's a queer Eba. Nasa one compensating. And none of my Yarian be Timmy spread, and not to be say Yari be ba. Ubon say, said, or see no fan and cocoa, no cotton, and I will go address no cotton. And see a neck gun and coam padena. So, oh, I hear none WHO of UN, but a non year and more side. Tiwa you know embrano said the pandemic we yabe WHO Emma briefing there was so mind behind there was so a son a bed flu and bar and now more Arabia bar and more site now said a UN and non so Emma and directives in the best flu say a bar and Ghana name in I follow under directives. If you and Efa and I'm to say into found in free hop. This is I and to say virus be info pass a heavy singing. Now, I dear back one room minty and say if it be mutation. To say a boy no more almost a sound. Inti Namia don't COVID-19 at least it will be a dear sort of TNT say. Aboa no sesan ho ba best flu o sesan ho entibio entawo mamu wanya ne ntem no sesan ho e won se fi enkoko ho na ekonipa ho ba de Ghana emra na ye fi so no na ni subaya sesan tubon se wan hwe ne ye na ekọ afo behu na efi nipa konipa ho afi kwan afa so aba atake no na enye ye fi se wo atake na wo mususu pe kwan bi so esesa Sisa umusubai. Enti emra street ewoho. Uko USA bed flu ba honum. Baby anemo ani bi wo mode aeroplane. Ene sisa baby affected no. Eko baby fofo. Eno na show how dangerous asaya re na neti. Enti se one compensate ekuafo na wa momo mpata sika. Fiso akwa ko momoa. Otina nyame mfasa me biba. Enya dia ubinya ni easy so mbe reporting po eno echi ne so no emayakuafo no ahoden ekofo efi se yakwa yi omumu anyina efi ho uwia be spray ho e was honom no in terms of 6 weeks na Sunday chickens and nansen kokoma ufra kugu ho na watwe incubation period and that's a period as a money bi o hono ma chese kokoni benya Muria no makwa bi nam de collab mako bi ni mu na mahwe se yare na fi hokora san we declare say on betimi aye and I would say a honkoko no so a na yare ni suban ene human emra na wo ho ne say phobia wo ho a eye nkoko 5 kilometers radius I was say we eliminate nkoko e wo ho nyina enti no kreni ne de meti ba me cancer said Libya with many beautiful and I am say aban no ebitu ade amom fitin nyina ati say honorable Juma na was saying
so my member kakra me ne wo ka say 36 poultry farmers wo mo ka tada manim ha na 36 poultry farmers no Accra ne Tema metropolis area hankwa no mo say since 2015 one much compensation ya twa one sanka. In fact, for baya busumeni achireni, ena me disi many so. Many poultry pharmacy bia ba mi studio ha ma me no makasa, maji wa mo consent. Last week Wednesday, many bi kasai, obi an the best 6,101. Best ni nyina ya hye wo mo. wabaka by 184,000 Ghana cedis. Ebi best 7,722. I have a tall list here. 1,730, 9,394 bets, 2,684 bets. Just say Accra ni tema hankwano. Wama chia di bi kura kokɔ to ne ade as compensation no ema. And wama chia say wama veterinary department for to train komono. Wama chia say no kra budgetary allocation no buy wama sakan. And so reform you see and say wama misappropriate sika no de bi atoka ase ne say na wo kyerɛkyerɛ mu ya. Honorable
middle for my patcho the CEO 2017 sorry I'm patching fancy this year 2017 enya dia meeting me edi ho adanse na mum cars na ye to to control bird flu samre no na ni nyina ka budget parliament approving ma ye honorable the right honorable the who ne committee no secretary ni nyina aka
me ba to be aboa ya amount no sika sen na parliament approve here
me ba cho me pese me exact me kai ba me say me nim say wow me by just in the millions of cedis me pese me bo amount be say ebianen in honum meaning say more than 10 million there nebo 10 million Ghana cedis.
I see.
The same day to 22 pickups and 4x4 2 and the Cocoa district and ye no embossment kesiye bird flu control Ministry of Food and Agriculture Veterinary Services Department enti na ebubo ho akese na de call distress making sure say ba ombetimi anya ka de be movie akọ aba na enti menim ka sofra bi omkoton ABI ton 2017 and the minim no eno na won say no kraba koda home the for was say yenka
yes
mai mono ebinom any on my no ankasa na muntu fa portrait nyuma no if it's o man Daniel mo poultry importers entrepreneurs ana mafia and no mu import nkoko funu no deba na de na dana ye mu bi ye gina kira ye penso and enye se bia me yen bi sininti ana me serve under president Mahama wonne poultry farmers in Pokumbidi Huandansi. President Mahama not need this judgment pa or boy yen and would be near him when started a poultry project no Ghana broiler project started pilot project. Unfortunately some ran yari by. Timra ye briefly in yari and was quickly. Sika muhimu bia medema mo na muntimi mpra ya relative fi omai no mun declare Ghana say you free na yetimi atoa project so na no so no de na ye hia bia say de betimi ye be streamline ne be control imports our ports no never ma Ghana local poultry farmers so de akoso no oboayo present support here. Send a mechano. Now, so we have 100 tons of cocoa. Now, so import here. Ube to local one, 40%, 40 tons. Now, the Akanyama were imported 80 taba. Now, Ube to I was saying a verifiable farm. You beat me a verified receipt. The farmers no more young coconut no more de. Womo number saba ni akwa inspect na husel ho nti importer wo do permit ba ni a direct you to this farmer and now to that farmer ni man numbers no kure ne da me kasa me bo franco part abaso so no your one local farmer utimi efa at a go 400 metric tons if you local farmers. Sorry, local importer of a fee, local farmers, so no. Now, near war, a benum so, and member my midway, friend, you, so friend of my you, umbrella Bianca and then so assistant companies in Yama Bebrejin. Then Oka Gapoha woman board no sign Council of State member. And say would the Oko Porter, Monkona Monko Shushe. If it's at least more Porter be Amami and Krata. Yeah, Araho. On no Samren. Or time any my meme catch and said, you're a criminal and to mean to member. Won't to mean fan cocoma. Nowhere declares a fish. If it's a one who say, won't to look how one do the bam. We are for declaration, a criminal. Won't to mean fat to be a casting in fact tilapia, manadi tilapia beba. Maybe not what one a different declaration. And then GP way. Monko Porta Monko Shed. Oh, yeah. Oh, and see, Sanya man, and maybe you can see the number approach Brazil about Taplum. On no, I'm suspecting. Please, I know what many my country play, make friend a criminal one in him. I can't just go in a foster. That be make up be because, yes, send them up a monko yan moya some truffle. Yes, so more than women and on one then cocoba, on one clear and on one cassa. I declare I'm a for custom force.
Honorable, you compensation and no come on.
A compensation. Ain't to mean band away because me fan say, can you know what a bayim Samren? Why a major and the biggest importer of poultry now? I will marry you. And so it is a crime bear so, and you bet me a compensate your local farmers. No, must bet me I Jumanona umsu and your musica. Okay. But for poultry farming, so we are broilers. We need 35 days. We kind of plus minus 35, 45 days.
I don't want
to see back market. No. Say, maybe
I don't want to see you. Not your penchemu, not your penchemu. Many of Japan say, Wabeka was side of story. No, you wouldn't ever compensate. But then we had to go through and sana move free abemu. But you better run off. Other issues are raising importation near the end now. Can
you baby? Me say. Malaria. Let's say.
Medase. Honorable Hannah Louisa Bisiu, a former deputy minister of Agri in charge of livestock, and I'm in train command. Or Victor upon a president, Ghana Poultry Farmers Association. Mr. Pong?
Yes, sir.
I want you.
I do you.
Yadamiasi. Members, I mean, about 36 of them. Wamusu compensation, MI. Bird flu, Brenimu, one best I say, no, meaning so when you know, oh, yeah, where, me what?
If I try.
And I'm a man I went to a as the president of the association.
You, Mr. Philibri, Mammy Falcon, so now Yancha at Yefuna, any poultry farmers. And in the year 2015, and as issue a proper app. Na a buyer no, and say, ne, a buy no eating Kitahum Bibri, and Mamuti to say. Obia ebe destroy ni best piano aban bitia compensation at the amano nti a woman yeti say parliament is so approve 11 million Ghana cedis which includes compensation ibitia nti yetia bi ma ebinom enukra pono neti say yebitia compensation inti na say me to make free Kumasi na me concern although say officially no I was not invited to that program mami raise concern proud na total amount that day umtia ening na 1,141,216.94 Inti a check yena buy so ye follow up and so the number of people no they me wo ha ni nipa 34.
Okay.
34 no na almost total amount 1,448,157.02. Inti ano na ye di echira Into a buy for proba and so your church or home letters be pre edico na your chief say bit here ama farmers no. Into along the line no Emma poultry farmers here out. Say up to now you your farmers no compensation. Into Sesana everybody and yes obinya problema instead say a very report no you report because we report you be kumon kokoya enya dia you be chia usika amount
but and also so am wow
yes it was a discussion and the ka say yen chia yen crop for ni sika amount this is what farmers need to me because maybe beyond the farmers no report to the my into farmer any problema ye ma wo muti ase ni say bibie besi bia no omo report na ye nyina ye hwe kwan pa ye behwe na compensation na ba ti eno ma no na agitation nim the farmers no erezi that but enya dia obia di sa dia no so ye adwuma dia ye dia kire achepa na later na meti say farmers maybe are taking the matter up at the court. One, justice. In fact, farmers list was minimum.
I see.
Because yes, the association structures you register with the district association. And if you register with the district association, automatically you are a member of the regional association and a member of the national association. It is a BB as I said, district a report to my region, not region the about national. But we be but the moment you free from Emma, you took one among the our ministry, your church letters at the alcohol for this compensation. Into one justice, and I am a woman no affair me no mommy update. Don't catch him say case no medical court. And your friend say ministry about for out of court settlement. Until now I thought to say Ibia you okay. Then I was our friend say problem is still in TI. A call out of court settlement still in TI Moka. Into the idea make us say a hard because farmer no capital kutani na or the year jumano yakum kukwe na ya destroy remaining na into what you have 1 year from 2015 to 2025 years me.
Well, Emsa woman saying 34 clients one more esikana no sumbe 1,448,157.02.
Yes.
But in the document one more the Ministry of Food and Agriculture one more do 36 from Tema and Accra Metropolis. Okay, 36.
Yeah, me we say time I'm taking up as the national chairman that was 2015. Me to an amount we ministry that time veterinary services department. So I'm gonna keep put that record. So I'm gonna print money.
Yeah.
I'm gonna print this you say money. And that is the list me wo. Total amount to any PPA no also amount of mutia and name be a so much any.
Well, but as a national president, see, Zikano, Wamunya ready because Wamun Samna court, but they are under your association. Wamunya ready, and now so as the president, Obebawamu, I'm a compensation. I say Omusakano, Wamu said to Miaka.
Also, make it Nameka say, Ninya information in the justice Ninkwani, the only pet, no look at me share that.
Justice Kubulai, no. Okay.
Although I know frame no mommy update. A court me na minim on the catch them say case me court. Out of court settlement in so on a frame or catch them. And I run so or frame say up to now in TS cano. Apart from so no on the structures inside the city and okay, they report to the district association, norms they about regional, about national. Then we get the information, then we take it up. But so when your information it becomes very difficult for you say obey baby.
Why, Ropo, ma young fancy, na personally, me, I mean, no bedding kita home. Na afei yetimi aboaboa other members clients our musica academy ya aboaboa mo na ehuna na mo a yebetimi atu afa because compensation ni de enso mo se tumi ka na wo mo sugu wo mo yam
5 years ni nyama bebre na sisi e wo mabrabo obi o kra no na odi hwe ni masku se o timi hwe ni masku nte ade e ha twin pa
mo members ba kokra na pay me hwe ni se metimi na kasa Tese nearby yeninti wa yare dademu ma jabe ne nan mienu nyina no ya twitwa sisi a enia woda emu aden pa sika wa he wode hwe no ho sika wa he wa hu ne sika nyina na akokamu yi oropon mame no
wasa me no ya adwinti udi ye jojo na ye hu kwan pa be fa so because nya ya dia e ha twi
Mati me da say Ora Victor Opon a president Ghana Poultry Farmers Association and I no atwetwe nkomo no enti ana pai sambisa no etiawa se sika no wo hwa boko yemfa ensettle poultry farmers yi yema wo mo sanka wo musika na eka me ne wo mo ono mo kasa te se awreho kra so say said there was a budgetary allocation meant for compensation. Say infantia farmers no ya say wo nkokọ no infantia wo ka na sika no afa hin anu so say betra radio so na ya kasa ya course drive kwa ha kodi akire ya kasa ansana Bernard drawing akon or a freight forwarder. Na o say nkoba ya twitwin wo bibi opeso ka fa ho. Ben akwaba.
Eje meje so.
Boko de.
Ami Adom boko na so.
Ye hu de ye. Bernard my ntiwe.
Eje anopai ma minchia Adom atiefo. Na minchia NPP atiefo ni na. But enabeka days na amamira for no hobi kusi se metie hanabisu ne kasa na okano sisia and it is unfortunate now we'll be saying about poultry farmers their well-being ene omusika ebetuali amomo odoko wanya ebediti such a prominent person Madam Eunice Asuma Atem ko a friend in so a criminal. What you say? Look, sabi maameno onye obia ya titina no asem basa anase ojina baby kasa basa. Okay, so or a board member of Gapoa, very well admitted. Okay, so or imported frozen items, very well admitted. A co-fed man is a criminal. Hannabis won't be a criminal. For us, we don't indulge in insults. We respect our leaders. Mamen, see, Mamen count abakosem. Mamen will start importation, not started business. Way back 1980s. She knows what she's doing. In shipping, you'll be beer, your friend with description. It could come from you, the importer. It could come from the shipper. Me, I'm a test. Me, I'm a TV. I catch you. Say, Mamina, you import be my buyer. Young Cassani, you feel say, and Yamana Abano, and you know your request. We personally wrote to the assistant commissioner. Say, fine, we paid the duty for. Adia ya request no. But you feel say after scan, and Yamana or Modiamano, and Yenwa. Whereby we're supposed to be Niemana or Modiabano is supposed to be higher duty than what we have paid for. Into your request, among your physical examination. Nothing. The year request in your banner a lower duty, not your Modiabana a higher duty, we could take it now and running permit here. Among your physical examination, then we will top up. Then after we will deal with the shipper.
such a person, you sit on national platform like this, and you call her criminal. I am posing some 2 questions to Hanabisu. Umbra no be catch Ghana for you, say under her regime, na paper, shit, importation, na and then a car man, a driver, and a issue check before they give you permit to import. How much were they taking before our mama start check not more importing? Enko abaya photo. As a deputy minister or minister, Hanabisu, were you supposed to keep such documents in your driver's car? Now we issue at the individuals, you take money before you issue checks to them. Again, I'm posing to Hanabisu. A dina importer be command or American and according to Banekwakotinum. I'm an school. Or no Hanabisu. I'm for Dina Koni Dimo Kone, cousin, Idimani cousin, SCZ Dino. No mind the genesis of that a dino. And some would never be criminal. And the banning in America no never been nano. She shouldn't go to that level. So why not just obey the Mamanatum? Because you requested for money from the woman before they shoot it. And the woman refused. And it's even frustrating woman now when to Juma. And then go to a track record. The woman is paying whatever she needs to pay. And the end is more frustrating, man, you know. And then the woman is doing her business because a buy papa or Tisse or TSS or Obama private partnership no Juma. Now she's the biggest importer in the industry. And to my yet to tell some baby, look, so your bar, you're frustrated to be a baby. Nobody, we are telling our this and this, they are not coming. So they should put that, they should sweep that under the carpet. For us, we are not going to insult her, but we are seeking some clarification from her. She should stop insulting the woman, and then she should come clean. What I say, Hanabisu needs to be very careful. We are posing a warning to her. We respect our leaders.
Bernard,
CJ,
let's have a mouse out crying. On a very fair grounds. And to the influence here. Me that's it.
CJ, Martin.
Me that's it. Bernard drawing a straightforward.